These lures are killing it. That's a whopper plopper propeller on the cast. Kind of would collapse once you start to retrieve it. It would start spinning. So yeah, very, very fancy finish as well. Got you. I think that's a very good fish, guys. What the hell? I'm pulling. Just look, I'm pulling. They definitely like this lure, guys. Definitely like this lure. Is it like one of the massive ones or just very angry one? Hopefully we'll see soon. It might be both. It's just like very, you know, like very calm fish. Oh, that's a tang, guys. That is a tang fish. Stay on, damn it. Got you. That's 2.5 kilos, guys. That's 2.5 kilos fish. That is a tang monster. I was thinking, what is happening? Why I can't lift that fish off the bottom? That is a tang. These lures are killing it. Yeah, that's 2.5 kilo fish, guys. Just look, close to 60 centimeters. I would say maybe 57 or so. That is a tang. Okay, let's go back. Oh, that's a good fish. Boom. Good cast. Here we go. Stay on. Nice fish, I believe. Got you. That is a tang. Just a decent cast and voila, stay on. A little bit smaller than previous one. It just hooked though. It just hooked. That fast flow. Got you.